Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Whitehouse Beach Club. We are in Westmoreland, Jamaica. Now, the last time we did a video, somebody asked us to do a drone video of this development. So this is the drone video. Now, this is a massive development. 44 acres, 110 units. Each unit is on a quarter-acre lot. Very nicely done. Now, Whitehouse also has a hotel. Sandals, Whitehouse, and Rio actually owns land out here, and they plan to build a hotel out here. I'm just not sure when. They did announce they're going to be building an 8th hotel in Jamaica, but they didn't announce where it's going to be. So this development is in Whitehouse, and it actually has a private beach associated with it. And they built a tunnel that you can go from this development under the road to the beach. Let's see if we can identify where the tunnel is. Okay, somewhere out straight ahead now, close to the guardhouse, that's where the tunnel is, right? It should be right there. It goes under the road. Now these are very nice units. This is what you call a luxury development. And the development is being done in 5 phases. And you have 6 different house designs over here. Okay, that's the entrance to the development. Now, I'm sure these units, I'm not sure if you're allowed to do Airbnb, because what's very surprising is a lot of developments don't allow Airbnb, yet Airbnb happens at them, and there doesn't seem to be much repercussions. But they plan to use this development as a resort, so I'm not sure if Airbnb would be allowed here. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. And these units start at 790,000 US. Well, I'm not sure what the price is now, but that's what they were listed as when construction started. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and if you have any developments that you want us to do a video of, just leave the name in the comment section and we'll get to it. Alright guys, have a good day.